Hello friends, how are you? This is Gurveer with Rising Sun Real Estate. So today I am trying to show you few steps if you are a beginner, if you are investing in some real estate for the first time. Because too many guys, they want to invest but they don't have money, they don't have good credit. So today I will try to explain you few steps which you can use to invest in your first property. So step number 1, save the money. Money talks. You know that if you don't have money, you cannot invest. So do some side hustle, make some plans. How will you save the money? Reduce like vacations for some time, sacrifice your friends for some time, stop partying. So save the money. That's the number 1. Number 2, your credit score. Sometimes we use our credit and we don't care about the credit score. So maintain your credit score. That's very important because you have money, but if you don't have the credit score, the banks will not lend you any money. They will not mortgage you. So make sure you have good credit. That's number 2. Number 3, get pre-qualified. You have money, you have good credit. Now you need to know how much you can invest. And so to find out the bar, the limit, how much you can invest, you need to go to a mortgage broker or to the bank. I advise go to an independent mortgage broker because he can deal with all the banks and he can suggest you what you need to do to get a mortgage approved. So number 3, get pre-qualified. Once you know up to what price you can invest, then you start planning how to invest, where to invest. So you have money, you are pre-qualified, so you know that money is there. Now where to invest? So I mean how to invest. Either you are putting your money in pre-construction or you are buying a resale. Either you buying a condominium or townhouse or semis or detached, or you are going for resale. And where to invest? So which location? Both are important. So if you have money coming next year or in 6 months, then you might go with the pre-construction because deposit structure is flexible in 2 years or 6 months. That way you can manage the money. But if the money is sitting right way in your bank account and you can use it right way, then you will go with the resale. Where to invest? Location. So you need to find out what are the rental rates. Let's say you close the deal and now you have to rent it out. So make sure you need to find a location where you can rent your investment property very quickly. We don't want to invest in somewhere where you cannot rent and you have to put all the money from your pocket. So make sure you find a nice location. Do your homework. Try to move around some locations. If not, then find a nice professional realtor who can explain you about all the areas, like where to invest and what are the demographics, like how many factories or what's going on in that area and what are the future plans from the city. Is there any new development is coming, new factories are coming, Amazon is coming, Google is coming. So you need to find out a best location to invest in your property. So lastly, you need to make a list of all the expenses. Like when you go for a pre-construction, you have to pay on the top of your down payment, land transfer tax, development charges, school levies, HST, because on investment, like you can get the refund on HST, but one time you have to pay the HST. So these are the few expenses which you have to pay. But if you are buying a resale, you don't have to worry about development charges, school levies or HST. All you need to worry about down payment, lawyer fees, and maybe the lender fees. That's all. These are the most important points I explained in this video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And I will try to answer all the questions.